What's up?
Testing. 3, 2.
It's getting a little crazy.
Orange County, how you guys feeling right now?
Kiss FM is in the house!
Wango Tango!
I need everybody in this building to make some noise.
102.7 Kiss FM presents Wango Tango.
Kiss FM.
Starring
The Jonas Brothers, The Day, Swayze, Cherish, Miley Cyrus, Danity Kane, Flo Rida, Snoop Dogg, Pitbull. Hosted by Ryan Seacrest and the Kiss Crew, with special guest host Lindsay Lohan. Brought to you by Pepsi, where every sip gets you closer. Drink Pepsi, get stuff. Check out PepsiStuff.com.
You guys ready to do this?
And now, to kick off Wango Tango, please welcome the Jonas Brothers.